Welcome, in front of me is a Zenfone 8, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification on this phone. As you can see, the phone that I have right here is already locked, and I can unlock it either using a PIN that was previously set or using the Google account. Now, assuming we don't know either of those, we're simply going to bypass this by, number one, changing the language to any kind of different language that uses, well, different keyboard. So let's stop right over here and scroll all the way down. And basically anything from downwards up to like Greek or even further should work. So select whichever one you want. And let's progress to the setup right now. Now you do want to be connected to Wi-Fi, obviously. And if you're using a language that you don't know or don't understand, just basically every option on the right side is an option that agrees, confirms, and stuff like that. So all the options on the right will progress you further, apart from this page right here. And as you can see, we're back into the PIN. So again, let's tap on the Google account instead. And once it brings up the field, you want to tap on the field. It will bring up our keyboard. And right here, you can see there's a globe icon. You want to hold it. And number one, we're going to go back to QWERTY, then hold it again and go to language settings, then add keyboard, which is this button at the bottom, and select any kind of keyboard that doesn't have an arrow beside it. As you can see, there's two with an arrow, so ignore those. So you can pick anything from here and then tap on add, which is again the blue button. And once you have added the keyboard, go back again to the first page and change the language back to your desired language. And again, get back to the same place we just were. And once more, in the Google verification page, again tap on the field, hold the globe icon, go again to the language settings, and then add keyboard. And this time around, you want to add a keyboard with an arrow. So find one with the arrow. I mean, it's Albanian right here, so I'm going to select it. And here you want to tap on the three dots, go to help and feedback. And from here, you will have support page. So you want to tap on the field to search for Morse code, or simply type in two letters MO and it will bring it up as suggested. Use Morse code. Select it, tap on a video. And once it loads up, as it just did, you want to tap on the three dots on the video and then choose watch later, which will open up our browser. So from here, select accept and continue, no thanks, and tap on the field right at the top and navigate to HardReset.info /bypass. So I'm gonna write it down, and if you need a moment to write it down once you see the full address, I can pause the video. So now will be the time to pause. And from here, you want to scroll down to Settings app, click on it, and this will take us to all the settings. So number one, we're gonna go into accessibility, and then let me quickly check. We need to enable something here, but don't remember exactly what. Oh, accessibility menu, and simply turn it on, allow, and got it. So once you have enabled it, I go back and then go back once more and go to the apps and notifications right over here. See all 39 apps, three dots, show system. And from here, we're looking for a couple apps. So number one, we're looking for Android setup, which is visible right over here. And you want to select force stop and OK. Then go back. And now we're looking for Google Play services. So let's scroll down, C, D, F, G, there we go. Google Assistant, Google Play services, there we go. Selected, disable application. And once you have disabled the application, what you want to do is hold the power key and select restart. And from here we're just gonna progress through the setup. So and as you can see, we're now on the home screen. That's a lot of notifications, so you want to probably mute it. It is basically saying that Google Services is disabled. That's because we have disabled it. So anyway, I'm going to tap on next, and we need to go through these. Okay, there we go. This little guide. And once you do so, you want to open up settings and scroll all the way down to System. And then choose Reset Options, Erase All Data Factory Reset, and Erase All Data, erase everything. And the process should begin. Now this will take, on this phone I think it takes below a minute, so it's a fairly quick one. Once it's completed, we'll be back in the setup screen, but at that point the device will be fully unlocked. And everything will work as it should. So let's wait for this to finish. Okay, so factory reset has finished, so let's go through the setup again. Now this time around I'm just gonna go through it as quick as I possibly can, but you can set it up however you like. And there we go. So as you can see, there is the entire setup. There was no need to bypass anything, and the device is working as it should now. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.